YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Almost Guilty, back with another video. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and yes, y'all, I just put up to the ICEMAN frozen block. I guess you call it frozen block. Apparently Drake said the release date is inside, so I'm not gonna waste no more time. Let's go check it out right now. Crazy. All right, y'all, you see it's crazy. There's so many people gathering here. It's gonna be a crazy album. So, yo, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Amen.